Today on the channel, we're going to go over, do a little unboxing and a little configuration on what parts you get with the Skyjacker 2.5-inch lift kit for the Jeep Wrangler JL. Welcome to the channel. Well, we did it. We have gotten a lift kit for our 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X 4xe, and this one is the Skyjacker 2.5-inch lift kit. And what's real nice about this kit is that you could opt for the different shocks if you want the Hydro shocks, the Nitro shocks, the Black Maxes, or their ADX 2.0 series. And we opted to go with the ADX Remote Reservoir 2.0 series. I believe you could also get this in their M95 shock series. And we also went with the Skyjacker dual steering stabilizer kit. And I'll go over that in a little while. But right now, we're just going to do a little unboxing of this lift kit and show you guys what you get inside the lift kit, so it gives you a little sense of what's all involved and what needs to be done to your Jeep Wrangler. And this is part number JL25ERBLT. Like I said, that they're vehicle specific, so you either had the non-Rubicon or the Rubicon. So if you check out their website, make sure you enter the correct vehicle application for this. And this one just so happens to be for the 21 through 24 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X 4xe's. And if you go to their website and use discount code capital W Wicket_Fabz 10 at checkout as a coupon code, you get an additional 10% off of their entire website. So that is great news that we were able to score that, so I could bring all that discount out to you guys through Skyjacker. So I'd like to thank Skyjacker for all that. But what do you say we tear into this and see what's all in this kit? And then I'm going to show you the shocks that we decided to go with and the steering stabilizer kit. So like I said earlier, this is part number JL25ERBLT, and this is for the 4xe's. So opening it up, which I took the liberty of opening it up before just to save a little bit of time, some packing. And what you get in this kit is the complete new springs. Let me tear this open here. And you get the front and rear springs. See if I can't get these to stand up. No, not really. So you have this spring, and they are front and rear and specific which ones you mount in the front and rear. And what you can do is download their application guide or instructions on how to install this kit. So we get, this is the dual rate long travel spring kits that you get with these. So right now we have the two springs. Those are the shorter ones. And then I'm just going to pull this stuff out and then move this box. Get another box here, inside of a box. Put this off to the side here. So here are the other springs, and like I said, they are the dual rated long travel springs, and there is a top and bottom to them. So make sure you guys check out that instruction guides on how to install it. It'll state in there. And here's the other set. So you get two of these and two of these. And as you see, they're different in sizes, and their logo is on the side. So this is the orientation believe that you mount it up. I didn't really check into it yet because we're going to be doing that here shortly. And looking into this component box here to see what you get. And in this box, you'll get the bump stop spacers, and they're all part numbered here. You get some sleeves, some miscellaneous hardware here, and you also get their sway bar end links. So because you're going up in height, you will also need to extend your sway bar end links. So that's pretty much well it. Doesn't look like there's much here to do. Just a couple pieces here outside of the spring kit, and then readjusting your track arms and things like that. So if you guys are thinking about putting a 2.5-inch lift kit on your Jeep JL, this might be a good option for you. Definitely check out Skyjacker for that, because they're always coming out with new stuff, which we have something else coming, and I'll get into that here in a little bit. So let me put this back together here. That way I could go over what the shocks that we added to this kit. The shocks that we are going with on this lift kit application is the Skyjacker ADX 2.0, and also on their site you can check out what part numbers that you guys would like to get for your shocks. Like I said, with this kit you build the kit as far as what shocks you want and the application that you're going to do. So here are the ADX 2.0s with the remote reservoir. Open this up here. And like I said, these are the shocks that we've decided to go with our kit, and they are front and rear to these shocks. So when you do order, make sure you guys order the right set, because of you will need that. So these are the ADX 2.0s that we decided to go with. And what we also ordered, which has not come yet, are the remote reservoir relocation brackets for these. So we're going to try and relocate these maybe somewhere else on the Jeep, like so. This way we get it out of the way and it'll be a lot easier. But we think we're gonna get an awesome ride out of this, and we take it off road, so we're going to have a nice ride even off road with these. So we might even do a little review video on the ride of the ADX2s. So we got 4 of these, and then along with that, for the lift kit, on our kit that we got, we also got the Skyjacker steering stabilizer kit. So we also are going to be adding dual steering stabilizers, because we're going up in tire sizes. We're going from a 33 to a 35. So with that being said, that we want to add a little bit more steering dampening to it. This way the steering is a little bit stiffer. And inside this kit, you'll get your 2 shocks, which I'll probably do a more in-depth video on this, because we'll install this here in the shop. And then you get the hardware that goes with it. And these are the steering stabilizer 9000s. I believe you could also get the hydros in this, and the nitros. I'm not too sure, or the Black Maxes in this. I'm not too sure, so we just went straight for the 9000 series. And it gives you the hardware to install that. But this is the lift kit that we are going with on our 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X 4xe. And we're going to see what it's how much it actually lifts it, because in that video I'll show you guys the stock height, and then once we install these springs and get it up and running and get everything done, then we're going to come back and show you how much lift this kit actually gives you, and we'll talk about the install process and where all the parts went, and this way you guys could see firsthand in that video of where everything went. So I'm going to have to repack all this up because we are going to get this stuff out to powder coating and get this done. Well, I hope this video helps you guys out in choosing the what lift kit you guys would want. Definitely check out Skyjacker. They have, for all your suspension part needs, they have a full website for many vehicle applications. They've been around quite a long time. And use discount code wicked_Fabz10 so you guys could get an additional 10% off their entire website. So run over to their website, check it out, and maybe just score a hat or something, or sticker if you like. Whatever you guys like, it's over there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and Jeeps is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.